everybody. Hello Primary 4. How are you today? Are you fine? I hope that. I'm Miss Shayma. I'm here to help you learn this lesson. This is the first lesson, Unit 1. Focus with me. In this lesson, we are going to learn very important question to talk about food. This is the question. What foods we produce in Egypt? What foods we produce in Egypt? The answer, we produce vegetables like onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Okay? The second part here about singular nouns and plural nouns. How to change any noun from singular to plural by adding s, es, ies. Again, by adding s, es, ies. Like these examples. Look here. The first one by adding s, like onion, onions, onion, onions. The second, like tomato, tomatoes, tomato, tomatoes. The third, like city, cities, city, cities. The last part here, conjunction, conjunction, two words, the word and, the word but, the word and, the word but. Okay? The first word and, to join two ideas together, the word but, to show the contrast, to show the contrast. Okay? Okay, let's start. This material for primary 4, first term, connect, unit 1, lesson 1 and lesson 3. To talk about food, we can use this question to talk about food. The question, what foods do we produce in Egypt? Say the question again. What foods do we produce in Egypt? To answer about this question, delete the WH word question here, the word what from the answer, delete the word foods, delete the helping verb do. After then, put the subject. Where is the subject here? Excellent. Pronoun we. Put it here at the beginning of the answer. We what? Where is the verb? The verb produce. We produce and say the answer. The answer here, vegetables. We produce vegetables. Vegetables like what? Like these vegetables. Like onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Don't forget, put comma between the first words, onions, potatoes. Write onions and put comma. After then, potatoes. After then, don't forget put the word and between the two last things here or nouns here. Potatoes, tomatoes. Put and here. Say the answer again. We produce vegetables like onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. We, the subject, produce the verb, vegetables, the answer, like what? Complete the answer, onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Don't forget these rules to improve you're writing, when you write, don't forget at the beginning of the sentence or at the beginning of the question, write capital letter. Write what? Capital letter. Okay? At the beginning of the sentence, at the beginning of the question, write capital letter. At the ending of the sentence, don't forget put full stop. Okay? At the ending of the sentence, don't forget put full stop. Like this example. At the ending of the answer, here, put full stop. Okay? At the ending of the question, don't forget put question mark. Okay? Like this example, like this question. At the ending of this question, put what? Question mark. Don't forget this rule. Leave space between two words. Don't write all of them letters, words together. We can't understand anything from you, okay? The rules again. At the beginning of the sentence or the question, write capital letter, not a small letter, okay? At the ending of the sentence, put full stop. At the ending of the question, put question mark. Leave space between two words, okay? Okay. The second part here about singular and plural nouns. Say, what is the singular? Singular, one from the noun. Only one from the noun. But plural, more than one from the noun. More than one from the noun. Like these examples. Look here. Onion, one onion. Onions, onions. This is the plural of the noun onion. Potato, potato. It's a singular noun. One potato. Potatoes, potatoes. This is the plural of the noun potato. Egg, egg, egg. This is singular. One egg. But eggs, eggs, eggs. This is the plural of the noun egg. Tomato, tomato, tomato. This is one from this noun. One tomato. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. This is the plural of this noun. Focus with me. Most nouns change into plural by adding letter S at the ending of the noun. Like onion, onions. This is from the most noun. But we add two letters E and S. We add two letters E and S to nouns ending these letters. Focus with me. When you see the noun or the ending of the noun letter from these letters, don't put S at the ending to change it from singular to plural. But remember this rule, to put ES at the ending of this noun, okay? To change it from singular noun to plural noun. Letter O, letter X, letter S, two letters S and H, two letters C and H, two letters S and S. Like these examples. Look here. Tomato, tomato. At the ending of this noun, letter O, we can't put S like onion, onions. But remember this rule and put ES at the ending of this word to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Look here, dress, dress. At the ending, two letters S and S from this rule, from these letters, okay? Put at the ending ES to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Box. At the ending here, letter X. Use this rule like onion, onions, or this rule like tomato, tomatoes. Excellent, like tomato, tomatoes. Box, boxes. Put at the ending of this noun two letters E and S. Brush, brushes. Look here, at the ending of this noun two letters S and H. We can't put letter S at the ending to change it from singular noun to plural noun, but we can put E and S. Bus. At the ending here of this noun, letter S. We can't put S at the ending to change it from singular to plural, but put what? But put two letters E and S. Excellent. Another examples. Pinch, pinches. Look here at the ending of this word or this noun, two letters C and H. We can't put letter S, but put two letters E and S to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Another example, glass, glasses. Glass, glasses. Look here at the ending, excellent, S and S. We can't put letter S, but put what? Put letters E and S, okay? To change glass from singular to plural. Glass, glasses. Another example, dish, dishes. Look here. At the ending of this noun, two letters S and H. To change this noun from singular noun to plural noun, we can't put letter S, but put two letters E and S. Another example, axe, axes. Axe, axes. Here, at the ending of this noun, letter X. To change this noun from singular noun to plural noun, we can't put letter S, but put two letters E and S. The same rule, fox, fox. At the ending of this noun, letter X. Remember the rule? We can't put S to change this noun from singular noun to plural noun, but put two letters E and S. Fox, foxes. Okay? Okay. Learn more about singular and plural nouns. Change the letter Y at the end of the word or the noun into IES if it is preceded by a consonant letter, not vowel letter, like these examples. City, city. Look here at the ending of this noun, letter Y. But before letter Y, letter T, from the consonants letters, not from the vowels letters. Here, this rule, we delete letter Y, after then put IES at the ending of the noun to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? See again. Change letter Y to IES. Delete it and add IES. Okay? Because letter Y, before letter Y, consonant letter, not vowel letter. Okay? Another example, fly. Look here, the same rule. At the ending of this noun, letter Y. Before letter Y, letter L, from consonants letters or vowels letters from consonants letters. Okay, excellent. Here, take off letter Y or delete letter Y and add IES. Fly, flies. Excellent. Another example, story, stories. The same rule. At the ending of this noun, letter Y, before letter Y, letter R, from the consonants letters, delete it and put IES at the ending of this noun to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? Okay. This is the last part here, lesson 3. In this lesson, we are going to learn the conjunction. What is the conjunction? It is a word that joins words and sentences. Join words, two words or more, and sentences. Okay? Here in this lesson, we are going to learn from the conjunction. The first of one, the word and. The second of one, the word but. Okay? The first of one, the word and. What is the usage of this word, or what is the function of this word here? And to add two ideas together. Okay? The word and, to add two ideas together. Okay? Okay. Like these examples. I eat vegetables and I exercise. I eat vegetables, it's a sentence. I exercise, it's another sentence. To join between two sentences, we can use this word and. Focus with me. I do this action and this action without any contrast. Okay? I eat vegetables and I exercise. Another example, after school, I do my homework and I eat dinner. After school, I do my homework and I eat dinner. Okay? I do my homework, it's a sentence. I eat dinner, it's another sentence or another idea. To join between this and this, we can use this word, the word and, okay? Without any contrast. Another example, I practice basketball and football every day. I practice it and it. Okay? Without any contrast. Okay? Another example, Dad is a scientist and he likes looking at animals and plants. Look here, Dad is a scientist. It's a sentence. He likes looking at animals and plants. It's another. To join between this and this, we can use this word, the word and. Okay? Dad is a scientist and he likes looking at animals and plants. Focus with me. Here and again. Okay? To join between two ideas or two words, animals and plants. Okay? The second word here, the word but. The word but. What is the function of this word or the usage of this word? To show contrast, okay? To show contrast, okay? Like these examples. The desert is very interesting, but it is very hot. The desert is very interesting. It's a thing. But it is very hot. It's another thing. Okay? There are a contrast between interesting and hot here. Interesting but hot. Very hot. Okay? Another example. I love playing video games, but I only play them on Saturday. Only on Saturday. Okay? I love playing these games, but I don't play it all the time, all the week. No, I play them on Saturday. On Saturday. Okay? It's very easy to learn these rules. Very, very easy. Lesson 3, 2 words and but. Lesson 1, question to talk about the food. Okay? And to change any noun from singular to plural noun, like this rule, like this rule, like this rule. Okay? Okay. Focus with me again. These are the rules, the lesson 1 and lesson 3, unit 1. Okay? The first one, this question, to talk about food. To talk about food. We can use this question to talk about food. The question, what foods do we produce in Egypt? What foods do we produce in Egypt? What foods do we produce in Egypt? To answer about this question, delete WH words, question what? Delete foods. Delete the helping verb do. And you put at the beginning of the answer the subject. Where is the subject here? Excellent. The subject here, pronoun we. Put it at the beginning of the answer. Here, in this place. Okay? After then, put produce, the verb. After the noun or the subject or the pronoun, put the verb. Where is the verb here? Excellent. The verb produce. We, the subject, the verb produce, we produce what? We produce, say the answer. Say the answer. The answer here, vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables like what? In this lesson, vegetables like onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Okay? Okay. Write the first of one, onions. After then, put comma. After then, put the second. After then, put and to join between all of them. After then, put the last tomatoes. Okay? See again. We, this is the subject at the beginning. After then, produce, this is the verb. After then, say the answer or the rest of the sentence. Okay? Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables like what? Like onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Don't forget, put here between onions and potatoes, comma. After then, between to the last nouns, potatoes and tomatoes, this word, and to join between this and this. Okay? Okay. The second part about singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun and plural noun. Okay? Singular noun and plural noun. What is the singular and what is the plural? Singular noun, one from the noun. One from the noun. But plural, more than one. One from the noun, singular noun. Okay? Plural noun, more than one. More than one. 2, 3, 4, any number from the noun. Okay? This is plural. Like these examples. Look here. The noun egg. 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 Eggs. Eggs. To change this noun from singular to plural, put S at the ending of this noun. Okay? Okay. Onion. 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 Put here at the ending of this noun letter S to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? Look here. Dress. 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 At the ending of this noun, two letters S and S. Do you remember this rule? Remember with me? At the ending here, letter S and letter S. We can't put letter S to change it from singular to plural. Put what? Put two letters E and S at the ending of this noun. Okay? Okay. Bus. Bus. At the ending of this noun, letter S. The same rule. We can't put S at the ending, but we can put ES to change this noun from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? Look here. Ox. Ox. The same rule. At the ending of this noun, letter X. We can't put S at the ending to change it from singular noun to plural noun. But we can put what? We can put two letters ES to change it from singular to plural. Okay? Another example, brush. Brush. At the ending here, SH. Okay? Put what? S or ES? Excellent. Put ES because at the ending of this noun, two letters S and H. Okay? Another example, tomato. At the ending of this noun, letter O. Put what? S or ES to change it from singular to plural noun. Excellent. Put E and S. Okay? Tomato, tomatoes. Look here, dash at the ending S and H. The same rule. Put what? Put ES to change this noun from singular noun to plural noun. Dash, dishes. Okay? Bench. At the ending of this noun, two letters C and H. C and H. The same rule. Put at the ending of this noun ES to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? Look here, the noun fly. Fly. Look here at the ending of this noun, letter Y. But before letter Y, letter from the consonants letters. Okay? Delete letter Y and add IES to change this noun from the singular noun to plural noun. Okay? Okay. Fly, flies without letter Y. Delete letter Y and put IES. Okay? Another example about this rule, story. Story. Look here, story at the ending of this noun, letter Y. Before letter Y here, letter from the consonants letters, not from the vowels letters. Delete letter Y and put IES to change this noun from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? Story, stories. Story, stories. Okay? Okay. Say these rules again. Most nouns put letter S at the ending of the noun to change it from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? The second at the ending of the noun, letter from these letters. Okay? Letter O, letter X, letter S, two letters S and H, two letters C and H, two letters S and S. Okay? Put ES at the ending of the noun to change the noun from singular noun to plural noun. Okay? At the ending of the noun, any letter from these letters, letter O, letter X, letter S, two letters S and S, two letters S and H, two letters C and H. Put at the ending of the noun two letters ES to change the noun from the singular noun to plural noun. Okay? The third rule, at the ending of the noun letter Y, before letter Y consonant letter, delete or take off letter Y. After them, put IES at the ending of the noun. Okay? Okay. The last rule here, two words and but. And but. What is the function of this word? And what is the function of this word? What is the usage of this word? And what is the usage of this word? The word and to add two ideas together. Add two ideas together. Okay? Okay. But this word but to show contrast. To show contrast. Contrast. Okay? One of them to join two ideas together. But this word but, the second word but, to show contrast, okay, between two things. Okay? Okay. Like these examples, look here. I eat vegetables and I exercise. I do this action and this action without any contrast. Okay? Okay. I eat vegetables. Okay, I do this action. And I exercise. I do this action too. Okay? But here in this example, I love burgers. I love burgers. Okay? I love this thing. But I only eat them one a week. I only eat the burgers or eat them only a week. Okay? Okay. These are the rules. Unit 1, connect. Lesson 1 and lesson 3. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, primary